Hello, YouTube family. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. My channel is all about helping you reach financial independence, whether it's through stocks, real estate, credit card arbitrage, creating multiple streams of income, or starting and growing a business. In this video, I have compiled 10 plus money-making business ideas to help you come closer to your financial independence. So sit back and enjoy the video. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for your continued support. And you know how we do. Let's share the screen and let's go. Dog daycare profits. Are there profits in a dog daycare business? Yes, dog daycare businesses remain a promising and profitable sector in the pet care industry. With the right planning and execution, they can successfully capitalize on the growing demand for their services and thrive in today's competitive marketplace. For example, if you charge $25 per day for daycare services and care for 20 dogs on a given day, your revenue is $500 that day minus expenses. Please check out Doggy In for their doggy daycare franchise opportunities. Pet grooming profits. Are there profits in a pet grooming business? Yes, pet grooming could be your perfect side hustle if you have a passion for dogs or care for cats. Pet grooming is a potentially very profitable business, with some estimates saying that a successful business can bring anywhere between $75,000 to $100,000 per year, depending on how many clients they serve. Appliance repair profits. Is repairing appliances profitable? Yes, appliance repair business owners can make a median salary of $49,890 per year. Salaries typically start from $28,980 and go up to $81,470. Repairing these necessary home appliances like refrigerators, stoves, and dishwashers is more affordable than buying a new appliance and more sustainable. This makes appliance repair one of the greatest recession-proof industries. Mushroom profits. Is mushroom farming profitable? Yes, for instance, a mushroom farm growing 12,000 pounds of gourmet mushrooms, like oyster mushrooms, sold to wholesale clients can expect to bring in between $70,000 to $96,000 each year. Selling retail in addition to wholesale would significantly increase the business revenue. Mushroom farming is sustainable and low-cost labor when done correctly, and can be profitable if well planned out for small-scale operations. Firework profits. Is there money to be made owning a fireworks store? Yes, the average markup for fireworks is roughly 3 times the wholesale price. A fireworks business normally gains popularity around the 4th of July and can actually make money throughout the whole summer. If you buy a case of fireworks for $100, means that the business owner will likely rake in a revenue of $300. Now that's fireworks. Boom. Junk removal profits. Is junk removal profitable? Yes, there are many people who are willing to pay good money to have someone else haul away their unwanted junk. So if you do not mind getting a little dirty and doing some heavy lifting, this could be a great way to make some extra cash. For example, you can easily make $100,000 plus in annual net profits minus expenses if you charge $600 per truckload and have 4 weekly truckloads. Other profit centers for junk removal businesses include reselling and recycling unwanted items. Horse boarding profits. Is horse boarding profitable? Yes, whether you rent out a few stalls or an entire barn, boarding horses can be a profitable business when done correctly. Treat your operation like a real business in order to have success. You'll be able to turn your passion for horses into either supplemental or full-time income. For example, Let's say you have room for 20 horses. If you only offer boarding at $400 a month, the amount of money you can profit annually is $36,000 minus expenses. Other profit centers for horse boarding farms include horse breeding and horse riding services. Bee profits. Is bee farming profitable? Yes, many beekeepers report that beekeeping is a profitable business. There are a few reasons why raising bees can be profitable. For one, raw honey is a popular commodity in high demand. Healthy bees in a region with ample nectar sources can produce a profit of $300 to $500 per year per hive. Additional profit centers for a bee farmer include selling pollen for health supplements, selling bee venom, and selling pollination and advisory services. Business checking profits. Can you make profits from opening a business checking or savings account? Yes, you can potentially earn hundreds of dollars for opening a new business checking or savings account. Banks or credit unions use bonuses to get people to open business checking or savings accounts and hope to make money when those new customers use bank services, take out loans, obtain credit cards, and pay annual fees and interest. Always check offers for eligibility, qualifications, and read all the small print before opening any new accounts. Carpet cleaning profits. Is carpet cleaning profitable? Yes, carpet cleaning can be very profitable. Your business can make $100,000 plus per year depending on how often you are working and the size of the home or commercial property you are cleaning, minus expenses. The carpet cleaning industry in the United States was estimated to be worth $5.85 billion US in 2022, demonstrating its growth and potential. Vending machine profits. Are vending machines profitable? Yes, Americans spend about $27 per year on items from vending machines, and the average transaction is around $1.75. The typical vending machine generates over $75 of revenue each week and over $300 per month minus expenses. Your overall profit depends on how many vending machines you operate. Residential and commercial cleaning profits. Is owning a residential and commercial cleaning business profitable? Yes, depending on the services offered and the location it's operating in. A cleaning business that is operated by a single individual can make as much as $25K to $50K per year minus expenses. Companies that operate on a state or nationwide scale can easily make 6 to 7 figures minus expenses.
A solar farm, a great passive income business. A ice vending machine, a great passive income business. So I just want to share with you guys another smart business idea. Again, this is an outdoor storage. If you have some spare land in a good area, you may want to consider opening up an outdoor storage.
There you have it, YouTube family. 10 plus money-making business ideas to help you become financial independent and not dependent. So make sure to check out my first 10 plus money-making business idea video here in the description box below. So make sure you check that video out. Again, this is ALFATIR Crawford with Finance Up. I hope you found this information helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for your continued support. Until the next video, you take care, and I will talk to you soon.